The festive and wedding season is upon us, and you all know what that means. Heavy wedding dresses, and with a great dress comes a greater responsibility of pairing it up with the right hair accessory. Here are a few hand-picked hair accessories that you can try out this festive season. So let's go! Alright, look 1 is going to be a simple Maang Tikka. If you like to let your hair loose, the best accessory to go for would be a Maang Tikka. To wear a Maang Tikka with loose hair, simply make a center parting and see how deep the chain of a Maang Tikka is going to go. Make a parting there with the comb by teasing it upwards. Now take the end of the tikka and put it half into the bobby pin and then pin it up. Take a second bobby pin and cross pin it with the first bobby pin to secure it well. Once your Maang Tikka is done, create a side parting on one side such that it covers the bobby pins. Ideally, pick a parting that suits your face cut. And you're done! Okay, so now the look 2 is going to be a simple bun in 2 different ways. If your hair accessory is the hero of your look, you can keep the hairdo pretty basic. If you are in a rush or just want to go for a quick contemporary yet traditional hairdo, you can just use a half tiara to amp up your look in seconds. The second way to amp up your simple bun is by adding Judah pins or rakodis. These team up really well with your simple bun and add that perfect festive bling. Now the look 3 is going to be basic braids made fancy. Braids are not your mom's favorite hairstyle for nothing. It is the most hassle-free, easy to maintain, long-lasting and secures your locks neatly. Now to make this humble braid interesting, you can play around with it by accessorizing it with embellished bobby pins. And make sure you pin them at a regular distance along your braid. Wearing flowers in your hair is a classic that never gets old. A simple old-fashioned gajra braided with your hair can be a very basic yet a very festive hair accessory. Lastly, if you can make it work with your outfit, parandas can be a very chic festive hair accessory. The bright, vibrant long tassels when braided with your hair can really add a festive touch to your simple braid. That's it on this episode, folks. I hope you learned a thing or two about accessorizing your hair for this festive season. Until next time, bye-bye. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Be Beautiful.